for everybody. Enjoy the day and unleash your creative spark. At Cruinniú is now open.
I went to rock painting.
We went over to the circus and then I made sculptures of Bowl.
I came here to the festival just to see what we could do.
I came here to see what was going on, to have fun.
Tá mé seo leis an Girl Guides, tá daoine go deas an seo tá sé ionta.
Tá mé ag carú leis móam dúna flower hammeró. Tá go leor foinniú gacáit. Fuair mé mo grúig déanta. Bhí mé ag dúna face paint. I went over to the library space and I made myself a bookmark.
Oh my god, the atmosphere here, the energy's great. I've met so many great friends through Youth Lates.
It's so much fun. Everyone is so nice. All the bands that are playing are absolutely class. Like you can see from the crowd, everybody's having a great time.
It's not only one type of music. The vibes of these are always amazing.
The people at the front were absolutely just jumping around and like even moshing a bit like this. It's really good, nice, and really enjoying it.
It's brilliant. The indoors is great, but this is just different altogether. Better energy, bigger crowd. It's just brilliant.